Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of applying for a Target or Walmart credit card online. Whether you're looking for exclusive discounts, rewards, or convenient payment options, having a store credit card can be beneficial. First things first, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a device like a smartphone, tablet, or computer to access the Target or Walmart website. Once you're ready, open your preferred web browser and type in the official website address of the store you want to apply for a credit card with. Navigate to the credit card section of the website, which is usually found in the menu or at the bottom of the home page. Look for the option that says Apply Now or Get Started to begin the application process. Click on that button to proceed. You will be asked to provide personal information such as your full name, address, date of birth, social security number, and contact details. It's important to fill out these fields accurately and honestly to avoid any delays or issues with your application. The next step involves verifying your income and employment status. You may need to provide details about your annual income, sources of income, and possibly your monthly expenses. This information helps the store determine your creditworthiness and the credit limit you may qualify for. Once you've completed all the required fields and reviewed your application for any errors, submit it for review. The decision on your application may be instant in some cases, or you may receive a confirmation email with further instructions. Be sure to check your email regularly for updates on your application status. And that's it. You've successfully applied for a Target or Walmart credit card online. If approved, your new card will be sent to you by mail, and you can start enjoying the benefits it offers. Remember to manage your credit responsibly and make timely payments to build a positive credit history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.